Great news for Samsung Galaxy Tab fans. The next generation is almost here, and details about the upcoming Galaxy Tab S10 are finally coming out. A big feature is confirmed, a super fast new processor that will make the tablet much better. Tech fans have been hearing rumors about the Galaxy Tab S10, and recent leaks suggest a major upgrade inside. A famous tech blogger, Ice Universe, said the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus will use a brand new processor called the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus. This is different from what Samsung usually does, which is using Qualcomm chips in their high-end tablets. The MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus isn't official yet, but it's expected to be an improved version of the already impressive Dimensity 9300, making things run even faster and smoother. The rumor mill went into overdrive in June 2024, when information about the American version of the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus showed up in a program that tests how well devices perform. The test scores, which were 2141 points for single-core performance and 6,952 points for multi-core performance, suggest a very powerful tablet. The listing also confirmed 12 GB of RAM and the newest Android 14 operating system, making the device even better for both work and fun. The US variant of the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus was also spotted in Geekbench's database with the said Dimensity 9300 Plus processor. It's MediaTek's current flagship offering, built on a 4nm process and boasts 8 high-performance CPU cores alongside a powerful GPU. Looking closer at the details from the performance test, the codename GTS10PP for the main circuit board, along with an 8-core processor and Mali G720 Immortalis MP12 GPU, strongly suggest the presence of the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset. This combination means the tablet will be super fast, be able to multitask, and have improved graphics, perfect for demanding applications, high-quality games, and creative work. Previous rumors also hinted at a change in screen sizes for the Galaxy Tab S10 series. Samsung might be getting rid of the standard version that has a smaller display and focusing on larger options. The anticipated screen sizes for the Tab S10 series are 12.4 inches and a much bigger 14.9 inches. Catering to users who want a more enjoyable entertainment experience and a bigger workspace for multitasking. With the confirmed processor and emerging details, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus is shaping up to be a big deal in the Android tablet market. The combination of a powerful processor, lots of RAM, and a potentially large display promises super fast performance, smooth multitasking, and an unmatched user experience. As we get closer to the expected launch date in October, more details about the Tab S10 series, including features, pricing, and the official unveiling, are likely to surface. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest in tech news. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.